Hey everyone, my name's Sebastian and welcome to a very spooky episode of Atmoseeker, your place for inspiring props, dynamic terrain and creating an atmospheric environment for your tabletop role-playing games. With Halloween around the corner, nothing gets you more in the spirit by carving a pumpkin. I've always carved a pumpkin every year and I've always used hand tools. This year I'm going to try some new tools that hopefully will give me some more intricate designs to try out. Really kind of take advantage of the pumpkin flesh and push that light through in some interesting ways. So let's go hit the spooky crafting table and get creative. Alright, so first I'm just going to look at the pumpkin to try and get some inspiration of what design I should go for. There you go. Not haunting or cursed pumpkin at all. For some reason I feel compelled to do like a gorilla zombie kind of thing. So I'm just going to sketch it out with a pen and then start etching it out with the Dremel. Just make the first cut in this thing. Well, I wasn't expecting it to be full of blood, but I'm going to use the blade to get rid of some of these bigger sections of pumpkin flesh and then kind of refine it with the Dremel. Pumpkin bits did kind of go everywhere, but having it set to a medium speed kind of helped minimize that a bit. Damn. I need more power. So using the Dremel's been really good because you can get some of those subtle details like wrinkles or flaps of skin or underneath some of the teeth. But I'm finding the more detail I add and the more I carve away, there's some kind of cold presence in the room. It's primal, terrifying.
Create and inspire.